Yep. How do you put the seeds in?
Let's open it. We pour it in there, and then the seeds go down from the house to here.
So here's our bird seed. Actually, it's chicken scratch, which is what we happen to have in the house. And these are the kids that are going to get it in this tiny little hole.
I can already tell this is 100% gonna work.
So this kid is going to hold it.
Yay, I get to be recording.
And that kid is going to scoop it in, and let's try not to make a mess.
I can already see the mess. That sound is very satisfying.
Sunny?
Oh, we had to switch jobs. I don't think I'm gonna be much better at this, but
That's in my seed. Let's put the top on.
Yep.
Top one. Let's hang it up. I can't reach it. Mom, I think I can. Mom, I need help.
It's super full.
I'll put that. Does that look good?
That looks great.
The bullshit squirrels are gonna eat it. I'm spreading it around. I'm spreading it around. I'm spreading it around.
How does it taste?
Becky, I don't want to put my tongue down.
No, you shouldn't put your tongue in it. That's yucky. Well, that's not who we were expecting, were we? Well, that's more like it, isn't it?
See?
That's more like it. There's a crow. Look in the bird feeder.
Oh my goodness.
Look, there's two of them. One just chased the other one away.
The chipmunk. Chipmunk's climbing.
And the chipmunk's back.